We'll guide you through how to add 3D textures in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because adding 3D textures is essential for making models look realistic and visually appealing. To add 3D textures in Blender, begin by opening Blender on your computer. Once the application is running, start a new project or open an existing file where you want to add textures. Next, select the 3D object you want to apply the texture to by clicking on it in the viewport. Ensure that you are in object mode before applying any materials, as this is necessary for proper assignment. Then, go to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen and click on the Material Properties tab, which is represented by a sphere icon. Press the New button to create a new material for your selected object. After that, scroll down to locate the Surface section, where you will typically find the Principled BSDF shader. To add a texture, click the small yellow dot next to the base color option. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Image Texture. Then, click Open and browse your computer to select the texture image file that you want to use. Once selected, switch your viewport shading to Material Preview or Rendered mode so you can see how the texture appears on the object. If the texture looks stretched or incorrectly placed, go to the top menu and switch to the UV Editing workspace for further adjustments. Enter Edit mode by pressing the Tab key, and then select all faces of the object by pressing A. After that, press U and choose a UV mapping method such as Unwrap or Smart UV Project. This will generate a UV layout for your object. Adjust the UV layout in the UV editor to ensure the texture fits properly on the model. When you are satisfied with the alignment, return to the Layout workspace and check how the texture appears on the model. Next, add lighting to your scene to make the texture details more visible and realistic. Adjust the light position and intensity as needed. Finally, render your scene to see the complete textured result with all applied changes visible clearly.